Hello, welcome to Turks and Jerps. I am Turks and I am Jerps. This is Wendell, and we have WPL C44 RTR. RTR stands for Ready to Run. That means you get this, okay? You get a this, you get a this, you get a this, and you get a these. All of that comes in a box, sent to your house for $87.90. Wow. So this came as a kit before, and now it is ready to run. So it doesn't have metal axles, it has all the plastic stuff. Okay. So not unlike WPL's other stuff, it has all this. Battery is charged and ready. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to drive it outside in Smiggan's Folly. And you're going to watch it go around. You're going to see what you think about it. I'm going to see what I think about it. And then I'm going to come back and then I'm going to talk about it. And you're going to listen. And that's going to be the end of it. And then you're going to buy one for yourself. And there will be a link in the description. And that's the link you're going to take to buy it. And that's it. It's simple. I'm going to put a guy in it because it just looks better. So the guy may affect, performance because he's so handsome. So he is, what is he? 5 inches. He's like 5.5 inches. The scale of this truck is it's about 1/12. I think they have it listed as 1/16, but it's like 1/12. So this guy, he's a good average fella. We're going to cram him in there, and then we're going to go. He's not included. He's just a guy I have. Okay, that's enough. I was supposed to be short and sweet. Okay, we're back inside. That was so fun. I bet you had fun watching it. So, look at that. You saw it go left, you saw it go right, you saw it go up, you saw it go down. You saw it fall over a couple times. It's bouncy. These aren't oil-filled shocks. They're just springy boys. The tires are, they say they're medium. They're medium firmness. They have foam in them, but they're still kind of hard. Kind of feel like vinyl-y type, not super rubbery. So those could use an upgrade. Also, they're not glued to the wheel. As you saw me just try to put a tire back on. That fell off the bead. Anyway, it's pretty cute out there. The little wooden bed, yeah, those are wood on this tray-back ute type thing. If you didn't already know, it kind of looks like a 40 series Land Cruiser. The bezel's put on right. Doors open. Hood or bonnet opens. That's where the battery goes. Kind of like a engine cover looking thing. On switch. It's under there. Spare tire. So yeah. Plastic stuff. Do have metal links. That's about all. Single speed transmission. So the KM version of this had 2-speed and metal and all this, but you had to add your own electronics. So that's why it's cheaper. It's under 90 bucks. I think it's pretty great for that. I would change the shocks to oil filled. I would change the tires to grippy. Not slick and bouncy, although that's fun too. Tires just keep falling off. See? That's the speed. Kind of short on, well, it's not super torquey. That's where a 2-speed would be better on these. It still went up if it got traction. Otherwise it tumbled. But a lot of detail parts. Shouldn't be too hard to take apart and paint. Make it look a little more authentic. It would be nice if it had housings with lenses instead of stickers for the taillights. Anyway, it's been a while since I had one of these here. Can't remember how the wheels are. So it's like a hex. What is that? What is it, 5mm? I was going to say that's a 5mm hex. You're going to need an adapter or something to put different wheels and tires on, but whatever. I did have to take this seat out to fit the guy. Big deal. So there's that. A little bit of clunking. Maybe it's because the suspension's unloaded. Let's see if it does it. Still does it. Not quite sure what that is. It should be okay. Doesn't have a lot of power to brake itself. Alright, that's it. WPL C44 RTR. It's alright. And thanks to WPL for sending me this. They finally gave in and sent me a truck to review. So hopefully you've watched the video to this point. You like the video, you comment on it, tell them they're great, tell me I'm great, then maybe they'll send me more, and then we can do all sorts of great things together. And have a nice day. Bye.